Imagine a place where the sun greets you like an old friend, its golden rays painting the world in warmth and promise. Here, the air is thick with the scent of flowers, fragrant, sweet, and utterly unforgettable, as if nature itself is welcoming you with open arms. The sound of gentle waves creates a soothing rhythm, a lullaby that instantly puts your heart at ease. This is Cebu, a jewel in the sparkling seas of the Philippines, an island that welcomes you with warmth, wonder, and a sense of belonging. Stepping onto its shores feels like coming home, wrapped in a gentle embrace, as if the island itself has been waiting for you. The atmosphere hums with quiet joy, inviting you to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply be present in the moment. My journey began with a single thought: to find a place where beauty and history dance together under a benevolent sky, where every sunrise feels like a new beginning. Cebu is more than a destination. It's a living storybook, each grain of sand and every smiling face holding a tale waiting to be discovered. The island whispers its secrets to those who listen, offering gentle discoveries at every turn, from the laughter of children to the songs of the sea. Its magic lies in simplicity, quiet corners, an unhurried pace, and the art of stillness beneath a palm tree, where time seems to slow down. Here you learn to delight in small, fleeting moments, taught by rustling leaves, lapping waves, and the gentle caress of the tropical breeze. As we begin this adventure, think of it as a wander, not a tour. Let curiosity be our guide. We'll explore sun-drenched beaches, meet kind people, and savor the flavors of island life. Together, we'll uncover layers of captivating history, from ancient stories to vibrant traditions that still thrive today. Take a deep breath and let the warmth of the tropics fill you. Our claymation journey through Cebu begins now, and every moment is an invitation to wonder. Cebu's coastline is a masterpiece. Endless ribbons of soft white sand that stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting you to wander and explore. These shores are sanctuaries where time slows and the world's noise fades into the gentle hush of the waves. Walking here, each step is a soft whisper against the shore, grounding you in the present and connecting you to the timeless rhythm of the island. The sea dazzles with every shade of blue, so clear you see fish darting at your feet, their movements painting fleeting patterns in the water. Floating in its warm embrace, worries melt away, replaced by a sense of freedom and lightness that only the ocean can bring. The horizon blurs sky and water, filling you with infinite possibility and peace, as if you're suspended between two worlds. The coast's rhythm is dictated by tides and sunlight, calm at dawn, sparkling by midday, glowing at sunset, each moment painting the beach in new colors. Nature's cycles become your backdrop, a gentle reminder of beauty and change, and the promise that every day brings something new to discover. Find a quiet cove shaded by palms, where only the rustle of leaves and sigh of waves remain, creating a sanctuary for reflection and calm. In these moments of solitude, Cebu's magic is most profound, revealing itself in the stillness and the soft embrace of the sea breeze. Lie back, close your eyes, and let the island's beauty wash over you, as the gentle sounds and scents of the ocean lull you into peace. Here, the world fades, leaving only the pure meditative peace of paradise, a place where your spirit can truly rest and dream. To truly know Cebu, dive into its vibrant local life, where the heart of the island beats in its people, the Cebuanos. Their warmth and generosity make you feel instantly welcome. Wander through bustling markets alive with chatter, color, and the scent of fresh produce and spices. Taste Cebuano cuisine, lechon's crispy skin, tender meat, and fresh seafood grilled on the beach. Every meal is a celebration of local flavors and community. Festivals like Sinulog explode with color, music, and dance, honoring tradition and faith. Even outside festivals, music and joy fill the air. This symphony of people, food, and festivity gives Cebu its irresistible charm. It's a place where culture and hospitality turn every day into a celebration. Cebu is a cradle of history, where the past lives on in stone and faith. Walk through its heart and trace the footsteps of explorers and generations of Filipinos. The Basilica Minore del Santo Niño is the spiritual heart of the Philippines, home to the country's oldest religious icon. Nearby, Magellan's Cross stands as a symbol of Cebu's pivotal role in history, marking the meeting of cultures. Spanish-era churches dot the island, each a marvel of resilience and faith. Their weathered walls and ancient bell towers tell stories of community and endurance. Exploring these landmarks is a contemplative journey into Cebu's soul. Here, History isn't just remembered, it's alive in every stone. Beyond the sun-kissed beaches, Cebu's wild heart awaits. An untamed world of lush mountains, cascading waterfalls, and dense forests teeming with life. Here, the landscape transforms, inviting you to step into a realm where nature reigns supreme and adventure calls from every corner. The air is cooler and fresher, filled with the symphony of birdsong, rustling leaves, and the constant rush of water echoing through the trees. Kawasan Falls, with its turquoise pools and vibrant energy, is a natural cathedral inviting you to swim, explore, and marvel at its beauty. Tumalog Falls offers a delicate curtain of water, creating a tranquil oasis where you can pause, reflect, and feel the cool mist on your skin. Hike up Osmina Peak for breathtaking views. Jagged hills stretch endlessly, with the sea glimmering on both sides, rewarding every step with awe. The Wild Heart shelters rare and wondrous creatures, from unique birds flitting through the canopy to gentle whale sharks gliding gracefully off Oslob's coast. Swimming alongside these gentle giants is both humbling and unforgettable, a once-in-a-lifetime encounter with nature's wonders. These wild places are sacred, reminding us of nature's immense power, delicate balance, and the importance of preserving such beauty for generations to come. Here, adventure and awe go hand in hand, inspiring every explorer who sets foot in this untamed paradise. Cebu's wild side is a sanctuary for both wildlife and the soul, offering peace, wonder, and a deep connection to the natural world. Cebu invites you to gentle adventures. Connection, not conquest. Snorkel above vibrant coral gardens, watching schools of fish swirl in a mesmerizing dance. Island hop on a traditional banca, discovering hidden sandbars and sleepy villages. Each journey across turquoise waters is a taste of freedom and discovery. Explore intricate caves where cool air and echoing drips create a mystical world. Stalactites and stalagmites form natural sculptures, and hidden pools offer peaceful swims. These adventures refresh the spirit, inviting you to move at your own pace. Whether above or below ground, Cebu's wonders are accessible to all. Here, exploration is about wonder, not exhaustion. Every gentle adventure connects you deeper to the island's heart. As our journey ends, what lingers is Cebu's profound peace. The island quiets the world's noise, inviting you to slow down and savor the present. Peace is woven into the rhythm of waves, the rustle of palms, and the warmth of every smile. Here you wake to birdsong, walk barefoot on sand, and watch sunsets in quiet awe. Cebu encourages mindfulness, helping you reconnect with life's simple joys. The hospitality of the Cebuanos makes you feel like an honored guest, not just a visitor. This open-heartedness transforms Cebu into a sanctuary, a temporary home. Natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture blend into perfect harmony. Cebu is more than paradise found. It's a peace that stays with you long after you leave.